Today we will be talking about this pH scale. See, pH basically stands for potens H plus or potens hydrogen, which means the potential of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. Now, pH, how do you calculate pH? pH can be calculated by the formula negative log to the base 10 of H plus ion concentration. Similarly, pOH can be calculated as negative log to the base 10 of OH minus ion concentration. Okay. Now, the pH scale is varying from 0 to 14. Now, 7 pH means that the solution is neutral, means equal acidic and basic character. When you move from 7 towards 0, the acidic nature increases. When you move from 7 to 14, the basic nature increases. Okay. Now, this part you all would have studied in your class 10th. Okay. I am going to take it forward. Why is it so that the pH scale varies from 0 to 14? Why is it so that when you move from 7 towards 0, the acidic nature increases? Why is it so that when you move from 7 to 14, the basic nature increases? Why is it so that for a given solution, pH plus pOH is equal to 14? Why is it so? Okay. So, these questions we will try to get the answer for. Okay. Nirvana में Tanu is present for demo class. Hello Tanu, आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं बेटा? तनु, आप कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं बेटा? चले. So, first of all, let's recall that Kw is equal to H plus concentration into OH minus ion concentration, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 40. Right? ठीक है? This is the ionic product of water, and the temperature that we are taking over here is 25 degrees Celsius. So, at 25 degrees Celsius, Kw is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14, or H plus into OH minus ion is 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay. Now, see, for a neutral solution, the H plus concentration should be equal to the OH minus ion concentration. Okay. Let us say the value is X. Let us say that the value is X. Okay. Therefore, X into X is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14, or X square is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. Thus, X comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 7. Okay. So, if X is 10 raised to power minus 7, that is pH, or rather I should say the H plus concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 7. Therefore, pH is equal to minus log to the base 10 raised to power minus 7. I have already taught you this part, that this particular thing can be written like this: minus of minus 7 log to the base 10 of 10. Value of log 10 is 1. So this is minus into minus plus, so the value comes out to be 7. So pH is 7. So for a neutral solution, the pH is coming out to be 7. This is the answer to the first question. Why the pH of a neutral solution is 7 at 25 degree Celsius. Okay, dummy admission from CDM public school. Okay. Great. आदमपुर सेंटर का कैमरा ऑन करेंगे प्लीज कमल. कैमरास जितने जितने सेंटर के उनके ऑन किया करो यार. Okay, so this is the answer to the first question. Why the pH is neutral. Second question है why the pH scale is varying from 0 to 14. What is the reason behind it? देखो बेटा, इसका क्या reason है? See, H plus into OH minus is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay. The highest possible concentration, or we assume the maximum concentration to be 1 molar. आप लोग वो बोलोगे 1, will say 1 is the maximum. But I try to do one thing. 1 molar concentration, to make 1 molar concentration, it is very simple. Take 1 liter of water and add 58.5 gram of NaCl into it. How much? 58.5 gram NaCl. Add into the solution. And then just try to take 1 sip of it. You will realize what is the meaning of 1 molar concentration. I mean, you shouldn't say 1 molar. 1 molar. It is like this. Very high concentration. So we assume that the maximum concentration of H plus or OH minus ion is 1 molar. So if H plus concentration is 1 molar, fine, this is the maximum concentration. pH will be equal to negative log to the base 10 of 1, and the value of log 1 is 0. The value of log 1 is 0. So the maximum possible pH is 0. Okay, this is the maximum value of pH. Don't say minimum value of pH. Or if you are confused, I can write minimum also. But use either one. I am saying maximum because the concentration of H plus is maximum, but anyways, this is the minimum possible value of pH. Similarly, we assume the minimum concentration to be 10 raised to power minus 14 molar. So H plus ion concentration will be 10 raised to power minus 14 molar. So pH will be equal to minus log to the base 10 of 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay. So this will be written as minus of minus 14 log 10. Okay. So minus minus is plus 14 and log 10 is 1. So pH will be 14. Okay. So this is the reason why, and this is now if this is the minimum value, this will be the maximum pH. Okay. So this is the reason why the pH varies from 0 to 14. Second question answered. Third question. Why is it so that when we move from 7 towards 0, the acidic strength increases? See, H plus into OH minus ion is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14. Okay? Initially, I am taking a neutral solution and the concentration of both is 10 raised to power minus 7. When the concentration of H plus is 10 raised to power minus 7, the value of pH will be 7. Now dear friends, if I increase the concentration 10 times, if I increase it 10 times, this becomes 10 raised to power minus 6. and this becomes 10 raised to power minus 8. Why this becomes 10 raised to power minus 8? Because the product is always 10 raised to power minus 14. So if you are increasing this value by 10, this value decreases by 10. Are you getting the point? Is this point clear to everybody? Okay. So now the pH will be 6. So they can ask you one question from here, that on increasing the concentration 10 times, the pH decreases by 1 and vice versa. Vice versa means if you dilute the solution 10 times, the pH will increase by 1. Okay. Now, if you decrease the value to say 10 raised to power minus 2, this value becomes 10 raised to power minus 12. So here the pH becomes equal to 2. If you still keep on increasing the value, let us say you take it to be 1, then this becomes 10 raised to power minus 14. So over here the value of pH will be equal to 0. Okay. So as you are increasing the H plus ion concentration, the pH moves towards 0. pH moves towards 0. So moving from 7 towards 0, the acidic strength is increasing. Got it? Okay. Similarly, if you are talking about a basic solution, okay, if you are talking about a basic solution, you will increase the concentration of OH minus ion. So say you make it to 10 raised to power minus 6 or minus 2 or 1. So this comes out to be 10 raised to power minus 8, 10 raised to power minus 12, 10 raised to power minus 40. So if you solve for the pH now, okay, so as you can see, as you are increasing the H plus ion concentration, the pH moves from 7 to 40. Got it? Okay. So this is the answer of the third question, why when we move from 7 to 14, the basic strength increases. The fourth part, why pH plus pOH is equal to 14. See, for any solution we have said that H plus into OH minus ion concentration is 10 raised to power minus 40, right? Okay, take a log. So log to the base 10 of H plus log to the base of 10 OH minus is equal to log to the base 10 raised. Okay. Now take a negative sign on both the sides. If you take a negative sign on both the sides, you will be getting minus log H plus okay. Now what is this? This value is pH. What is this? pOH, and this value will be 14. So this is how we got this particular formula. Is this clear to everybody? Huh? So now you got how the pH scale is being formed, why we are talking about the scale being varying from 0 to 14, why 7 is neutral, why when we move from 7 to 0 the pH, the acidic strength increases, why when we move from 7 to 14 the basic strength increases, okay, and why pH plus pH is equal to 14, okay. So all this is present, okay. So now we have to solve certain questions based on this particular part. सिरसा सेंटर बेटा हम लोगों ने सिर्फ जो है ना पीएच स्केल के बारे में कुछ बेसिक बातें डिस्कस किया है। मैंने ये बोला है अभी कि आज हम पीएच स्केल की बात कर रहे हैं। पीएच का फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया, पीएच का फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया। ये पीएच स्केल है जो 0 से 14 वेरी करता है, 7 में न्यूट्रल होता है वैल्यू। आप 7 से 0 की तरफ जाते हैं एसिडिक नेचर बढ़ जाता है, 7 से 14 की तरफ बेसिक नेचर बढ़ जाता है। 7 पर pH 7 मतलब न्यूट्रल सोल्यूशन है, ठीक है। किसी भी एक गिवन सोल्यूशन के लिए pH प्लस pH का वैल्यू 14 होता है। तो इन सारे क्वेश्चंस का मैंने आंसर देना था, तो एक एक करके आंसर दिया है कि देखिए एक न्यूट्रल सोल्यूशन जो होता है उसके अंदर H और OH का कंसंट्रेशन बराबर होगा, यानी H प्लस का कंसंट्रेशन आया 10⁻⁷, यानी pH कितना आ गया 7, यानी 7 पर क्या आ गया न्यूट्रल, ठीक है। फिर मैंने बोला कि देखिए कोई भी एक सोल्यूशन जो होता है उसके अंदर हम ये एज्यूम करके चलते हैं कि मैक्सिमम कंसंट्रेशन 1 मोलर है और मिनिमम कंसंट्रेशन 10⁻⁴ मोलर है। तो अगर मैक्सिमम कंसंट्रेशन 1 लिया गया तो पीएच कितना आया 0, और अगर मिनिमम कंसंट्रेशन 10⁻⁴ लिया तो पीएच की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 14। दैट इज व्हाई इट वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 to 14। फिर मैंने ये बताया कि अगर हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं एसिडिक सॉल्यूशंस की, तो जैसे जैसे हम लोग कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाते हैं बेटा H प्लस की, पीएच देखिए 7 से 0 की तरफ आ जाता है, ठीक है। और जैसे जैसे हम लोग OH माइनस आयन की कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाते हैं, पीएच जो है वो 14 की तरफ चला जाता है, मूव्स फ्रॉम 7 to 14। क्लियर है। और फिर आखिर में मैंने ये बताया कि दैट हाउ pH प्लस pH इज इक्वल टू 14, ओके।